Okay, now I'm going to show you how to translate translate a polygon using a vector in Geogebra. So you want to go to geogebra.org and then you click on Start Calculator. That takes you to this grid, and you can use your finger or your mouse right now to move things around. You can blow things up. There's things that you can do. And the thing is, you always will need that when you want to use a mouse without drawing on GeoGebra. So just for 1 minute, I'm just going to show you, well, in a second, why that matters. So what I do first is I go to Tools, and I have to draw. All these things are always in different orders. So never give up if you think you can't find something. Today, polygons was under More, so I'm going to go to Polygon. And you see this little purple dot down here with the purple circle at the lower right with the arrow? That gives me back my mouse. So at this point, there's stuff going on, right? And let's just say I don't want to do all that and I want to move my grid like I was moving before. I need my mouse back. So the way you get your mouse back is you click on that, and now when it's not showing, you have your mouse back. Okay? So let's go ahead and just make this right here. I'll go 1, 2, and look how I'm doing it. I go point, 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 wherever you want to do it, as much as you want. And then to close it, you click on the first point that you made. Now, to translate, I'm going to go to translations or transformations. So this says transform. So the only one that says translate is this, translate by vector. So that means I got to go get a vector first. So I got to go make one. So for instance, you might get something that says translate this polygon over to the right 4 units and up 2 units. Let's just say that's what it says. Over to the right 4 and up 2. So what I got to do now is I got to get a vector. So I come over here. Where's the vector? Ugh. And then I'm going to pick a point. Usually if I can find a point that's on a solid, like with whole numbers. So I'll start here with A, and I'll go, oh, no, that's not what I'm doing. Let's do it again. Why does that do that? There it is. So I go 1, 2, so I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I do 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. Let's go up 3 so we're not on that axis. So I go over 4, and you saw what I did. I hit this vector here where it says vector. It got solid bold, and then I went from the point where I wanted to go. I went 4 and up 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. I went up 4. Now I go to transform. Okay, where's transform? This always happens. You got to keep looking. Don't give up. And I go to transform by a vector, and then I click on the polygon that I want transformed, and then the vector. So I'm going to go transform by a vector. It gets bold. I click on the polygon. It gets bold. and then I click on the vector, and that transformed it. So there we go. Now see this dot, that D? It's because I don't have my mouse back, so, and I just, anytime I click, it's going to give me points. So I take my mouse back, and then I can go ahead and see what all my points are. Once you do that, you can go to the algebra tool here, and it'll tell you what A is, what every vertice point is of your polygons. And then it'll tell you what every new one is. It also tells you each segment and what the measurement is. But look, it tells you your new A, your new B, and that's what that apostrophe means after it. Okay, so that's translations, and I'm going to do rotation about a point in the next video.